Ever wonder if these agricultural drones actually work on a real Cambodian farm, or are they just expensive toys? I'm standing in a paddy field. Manual spraying takes days. It's exhausting. And let's be honest, you always miss spots or spray too much in one area. It's tough, dangerous work. This is the Agris X9 Pro. Watch this. It doesn't get tired. It sprays precisely, covering an entire acre in minutes. No wasted chemicals, no missed crops. It's not magic, it's just better tech. Look at the coverage here. Perfectly even. This isn't just about modernizing, it's about saving you time and protecting your harvest. Are you using tech on your farm yet, or are you still on the fence? Drop a comment below, and let's talk about the real challenges.